Good morning, class 11. Welcome back to our online class. So we are in chapter number 5, complex numbers. In the previous class, we discussed what is a complex number, how is it represented in an argand plane. Today we will explore the topic. Okay, Z1, A1 plus iota B1 and Z2 is A2 plus iota B2 are any two complex numbers. What will be Z1 plus Z2 or Z1 minus Z2? So, open the brackets, A1 plus iota B1 plus or minus A2 plus or minus iota B2. What happens? The real part is added or subtracted from the real part. So, it will be A1 plus minus A2, iota taken common, B1 plus minus B2. अब अगर ये प्लस है तो ये प्लस हो जाएगा, माइनस होगा तो माइनस हो जाएगा. प्रोडक्ट ऑफ एनी टू कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर्स. सो देखो प्रोडक्ट A1 इंटू A2 प्लस सी iota B1 into iota B2. Iota into iota is iota square B1 B2 plus iota B1 into A2 plus iota B2 into A1. Now what happens? A1 A2 iota square is minus 1. Why? क्योंकि under root minus 1 is equal to iota. So iota square equal to minus 1. So minus plus becomes minus B1 B2 plus iota taken common A1 B2 plus A2 B1. This is the product of any two complex numbers. Okay? तो जब हम ऐड करेंगे कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर को तो रियल पार्ट से ऐड हो जाएगा, इमेजिनरी पार्ट के साथ ऐड हो जाएगा. फॉर एग्जांपल 4 minus 3 iota plus 2 plus 7 iota. तो 4 plus 2 6 minus 3 iota plus 7 iota is plus 4 iota. ये इनका सम हो गया. इन केस मान लो यहां पे माइनस होता तो 4 minus 2 2 minus 3 iota minus 7 iota minus 10 iota. अंडरस्टूड. और अगर हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 4 minus 3 iota into 2 plus 7 iota according to this A1 A2 4 into 2 8. देखो इन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करो, minus into plus minus iota into iota square which is minus becomes plus 3 into 7 21. Then minus 3 iota into 2 minus 6 iota 7 iota into 4 plus 28 iota 8 plus 21 is 29. 28 iota minus 6 iota is plus 22 iota. This is the product, right children? So this is how we find some difference and product of any two complex numbers. अब आगे चलते हैं. Next is modulus of a complex number. What do we mean by modulus of a complex number? Modulus of z equal to a plus iota b. It is represented as mod z, that is mod of a plus iota b. यहाँ पे मॉडुलस का मतलब एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू फंक्शन नहीं है. ओके, लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज मॉडुलस. दिस इज द आर्गन प्लेन. You have real z x axis, this is y axis which is your imaginary z. अब कोई कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर है a comma b, so it is a1 plus iota b1. ओरिजिन से ज्वाइन कर दिया, a से परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉप करो x एक्सिस पे. So this point will be a comma 0. Y axis पे ड्रॉप करो, this point will be 0 comma b. So length of this line segment is b units. Length of this line segment is a units. Now this triangle seems to be a right angle triangle. So what will be the hypotenuse? Under root base square plus perpendicular square, a square plus b square. So the modulus of a complex number represents the length of line segment जॉइनिंग ओरिजिन टू दैट पॉइंट, ओरिजिन को उस पॉइंट से ज्वाइन करने पे जो लाइन सेगमेंट मिली है उसकी लेंथ इज ए क्वांटिटी विच कैन नेवर बी नेगेटिव. सो मॉड्यूलस ऑफ ए कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर विल नेवर बी नेगेटिव, इट विल ऑलवेज बी पॉजिटिव. So mod z is equal to, very simple, under root a square plus b square. Why I am saying this is, मान लो आपके पास कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर है 3 minus 4 आएगा z इक्वल, तो mod z इक्वल टू अंडर रूट a square plus b square अंडर रूट 25. We usually write under root 25 as plus or minus 5. Now if this under root 25 here represents mod of z, you should always take positive 5, not negative 5. Okay, so modulus, since modulus represents the length of a line segment, it can never be negative. So this was modulus of complex number z. Next is conjugate of z equal to a plus iota b. See children, I hope in grade 9 while you are studying irrational numbers definitely the teacher must have introduced the concept of surds, under root a plus under root b. Okay, so what we do, इसका suppose this is a surd, इसका conjugate क्या होगा, under root a minus under root b. नहीं समझ में आया? ठीक है, एक काम करते हैं, आप किसी क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व कर रहे हैं, सपोज यू गेट 6 upon under root 3 minus 1. Teacher says you should not leave the denominator as irrational quantity. Okay, agreed. तो हम इसको क्या करेंगे, रेशनलाइज करेंगे. To rationalize it, we multiply numerator and denominator by under root 3 plus 1. Why under root 3 plus 1? Because under root 3 plus 1 is the conjugate of under root 3 minus 1. If under root 3 plus 1 is the conjugate of under root 3 minus 1, we can say under root 3 minus 1 is the conjugate of under root 3 plus 1. Okay, this is what conjugate is. So the conjugate of any complex number z equal to a plus iota by iota b is z bar conjugate. It will be a minus iota b. कुछ नहीं करना है, बीच वाला साइन चेंज कर देना. Very simple. Okay. Now what happened? कॉन्जुगेट हमें कई बार जरूरत पड़ती है कॉन्जुगेट की, जहां पे आपको रेशनलाइज करना पड़ेगा. ओके, सो दिस वाज कॉन्जुगेट. नाउ विल डिस्कस सर्टेन प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर्स. नंबर 1, z plus z bar a plus iota b plus a minus iota b is what? 2a plus iota b minus iota b चला जाएगा. तो sum of any two complex numbers is 2 times real part. Sum of any complex number with its conjugate is 2 times the real part of the complex number. Z minus z bar a plus iota b minus a minus iota b. On opening the bracket, a minus a cancel, we get 2b iota, that is twice imaginary part of z. Okay, third, z into z bar, product of a complex number with its conjugate, a plus iota b multiplied by a minus iota b. It is in the form a plus b into a minus b, which is a square minus b square. So a square minus iota square b square. Iota square is already minus 1, so minus minus becomes plus. What is a square plus b square? ये mod z का whole square होता है. So the product of a complex number with its conjugate will give you the square of the modulus of the complex number. Okay, children? So these are certain properties in NCERT textbook. See children, again and again I keep on saying this. Please go through the content that is given in our NCERT textbooks. Go through the properties, go through the language that is given, refer them, find out if there is anything which you are unable to understand. Come up with your doubts. Okay.